If you somehow end up with a very disastrously unoptimized game and you've tried everything to fix the FPS but nothing worked, you can try the dynamic resolution. It automatically lowers the render resolution when FPS drops and increases it again when the scene becomes lighter. This keeps gameplay smooth even when performance fluctuates. Of course, it comes with a cost. Blurry visuals on low-end devices. The amount of blur depends on how weak the device is that runs the game. To use dynamic resolution, your project must be using URP. Go to the main camera and enable Allow Dynamic Resolution. Then create a script. Inside it, define a minimum and maximum render scale. For example, a value of 0.5 means the resolution can drop to 50% of the screen resolution, but not lower. Also define a target FPS. Next, we access the URP asset using its libraries. We calculate the current FPS using this code. This gives us the approximate current frames per second. Then we check if the FPS is lower than our target. So Y5. This value acts as a buffer zone to prevent constant up and down resolution changes when FPS fluctuates slightly around the target. If FPS is too low, we need to reduce the resolution. Lowering resolution reduces GPU load, which helps increase FPS and keeps gameplay smooth. This line gradually decreases the render resolution while making sure it never goes below the minimum scale you defined. 0.05F means reduce resolution by 5% per adjustment. So when FPS drops, you're not instantly slamming the resolution down. You're lowering it gradually. Then we check if the FPS is higher than the target FPS. If so, we can safely increase the resolution again to improve visual quality. That's it. Enjoy the result.